Howdy YouTube, and welcome to this episode of the Gunman Raw. So today I've got the young fella in the booth here. He's actually just out there, he's about to press spray. But we've got this BMW X5, and what I've decided to do, like he put all the base coat down, but I've decided to let him do some of the clear coat work. So what I decided to do is I will clear the body of the car and let him clear all the panels. So here he is, Ash. Do you want to be on another YouTube video?
Yeah, sure.
Cool. Alright, so I was just saying that I'm still going to clear the body again, if that's okay, if you don't mind. Did you want to do the door then, maybe? Or not? You happy, confident to do the door?
Yeah.
Alright, you do the door, I'll do the bonnet and the guard. Because with this clear, I've noticed, I don't know if you saw that, but like by the time I gave you the gun, it went all dry, like the overspray. So because I'm doing the bonnet, I think I'll be best off doing the guard as well. It's just so it's one even flowing coat of paint, you know. Yeah, the gun's ready to go. He's got his DV1 there. That's why I'm wearing my half mask. I usually wear my air-fed respirator, but for today, I'm wearing that because we've only got one airline in here. That's his respirator. So yeah, just the second coat of clear we've got here. Sorry, I'm not talking to you. So on the second coat, I'll do the edge first, you know, and I don't really worry about the back edge because enough will kind of get there anyway, you know. Happy with that? Double check there's no little dry patches, but that looks pretty good to me. That looks great, man. Nice work. I'll do that bonnet, eh? Alright, that's good. Give that a bit of a wet up. That was a big chunk. That's it. Yep. That's fine. Second coat, that's what I like to do. Just here, it's a little bit peely, just on that corner. Yeah, that's it. That's just a PPG clear, just how it likes to go on. We actually over-thinned this by about 30%, didn't we? Yeah. It's actually, that's got a nice reflection in it. Have a look at that. I could shave in that, mate. Awesome. No runs or anything, that's the main thing. That's good. Coats it clear just so we didn't get any solvent foil on the bonnet there. We gave it a 10-minute bake at 70 degrees. It took a long time to get all the colour down, didn't it? You got to redo a section? Just do it now, it'll be okay. Have you got enough for a real quick coat over the rest of it, just to wet it back up, or not really?
No, not really.
No. It'll be okay. It's just gone a touch dry there, but that will cut out. Like, we just tell back, so we just, our detailer, just say give it a quick sand. As long as there's a nice wet coat over the whole thing, that'll be okay. okay. It's not worth mixing up more clear for that, I don't think. But that's good, man. You're doing really well. Anything you'd like to say to YouTube?
Hi.
Hi. That's a good thing to say. Nice. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. And we might do another one soon. Gunman out.